How long has that been?
Hi, I'm Hatchette, your wilderness survivor, and today I'm ranting about my lovely teacher, Mr. Pie. Look at him, just look at him.
Don't look up his nose. He has a lot of hair coming out.
Girl, that ain't
You can catch flies with that thing.
So, he always, my mom, she says I'm disrespectful to him, and that I should have been written up by now. But really, he's disrespectful. Don't check those.
I thought we were supposed to get pizza today.
Let's pretend it's off.
Can I go?
Dang,
I could have made it.
I could have went.
Wait till I say 3. One.
Wait, there's a car coming.
We could have done went like 5 things. I know. Can I throw this at a car? Oh, I'm gonna take that escalator.
Now, open it. Do not go till I say 3.
Oh my God!
Mr. Martin. DeAndre, come stand right behind me.
Hey, they're stopping.
Ace, right behind me. You two go last. Okay.
They're stopping. They're stopping. They're stopping. Stop.
They're stopping. Go. We made it. Okay, so my mom is always very disrespectful. She says I'm disrespectful to him. That I always
Canary coming me. Jacob and Canary coming me.
I always talk back to him, but really he's talking back to me because he always says that I'm overcooking his grits, and I don't know what he means by that. I don't even cook grits, so I tried to tell him that, but he was like, "I know, guys, my pressure pants are falling," and I said, "You can borrow my belt." But he never thinks that I'm good enough for him. He always thinks that I'm just immature, and that's what he always says to me. I'm not immature. I'm Anna Grace. I don't understand why he hates me. His pressure pants are not falling. He's got on a belt. He's never. This is my rapist. Hey, what about me? Get out of my way. And he always says that I'm overcooking his grits. My mom loves overcooked grits. I don't know why he doesn't. Get your arm off of me, you rapist. And now we're in the back doors of Pizza Hut, but they don't cook grits here. What? Grits? Shut up. Are you getting out of my face, you rapist?
No, I had to like cut it off and then start back up.
Rapist.
Okay, give us a tour of Pizza Hut.
Dude, they're smoking in this Pizza Hut. It's like ghetto.
I don't touch anything. Cut that off, I told you.
Sorry.